The TECXERLLON 15,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is the cooling solution your large room or office has been waiting for. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. With impressive power and quiet operation, this unit brings fast, comfortable relief from the heat without permanent installation or complicated setup. With 15,000 BTUs of cooling capacity, this air conditioner is designed to cover up to 800 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, living spaces, or work environments that need reliable performance. It operates using a high-efficiency rotary compressor to deliver quicker cooling with less energy, helping you stay comfortable while keeping electric bills under control. Adjustable temperature settings from 61 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit let you fine-tune the climate to your preference, whether it's midday sun or a humid night. This 4-in-1 portable unit offers year-round versatility. Not only does it cool, but it also includes a built-in dehumidifier capable of pulling 100 pints of moisture per day from the air, which helps prevent mold, mustiness, and discomfort in humid conditions. The fan mode keeps air circulating efficiently, and the sleep mode automatically lowers fan speeds and dims the display to create a quieter, more restful environment, dropping the sound level to under 52 decibels when the compressor is idle. It's an intelligent machine built to adapt to your lifestyle, even when you're resting. One of its most user-friendly features is the self-evaporating system, which minimizes the hassle of draining water. Under typical use, condensation is vented out through the exhaust hose. But for those extra humid days, you can use the included drain hose to avoid interruptions. The air conditioner also includes a 24-hour timer, a remote control for full convenience, and wide-angle airflow that spans 15 to 75 degrees, ensuring every corner of your space gets cooled evenly. With EasyGlide 360 degrees wheels, hidden handles, and a full window installation kit, it's designed for simple mobility and setup, fitting most vertical and horizontal windows out of the box. The TECXERLLON Portable AC is engineered for power, flexibility, and comfort. Whether you're cooling a busy home office or preparing for a summer heat wave, this unit delivers professional-grade climate control in a sleek, compact form.